Welcome to our state-of-the-art footwear manufacturing facility. I'm Maria, and I've been in sneaker production for 10 years.
Each leather hide is unique. Our inspectors evaluate thickness, grain consistency, and quality. Only the finest.
Modern performance sneakers use advanced engineered textiles. This mesh provides breathability while maintaining structural support.
Our proprietary rubber compounds are engineered for specific performance needs: traction, durability.
EVA foam provides the cushioning that protects athletes' feet. By controlling density and cell structure, we engineer specific comfort and responsiveness levels.
The material efficiency is holding at 87%. We can send this to the cutting floor.
Automated cutting ensures consistency across thousands of shoes, while skilled artisans handle premium materials requiring human judgment.
Organization is critical. Each shoe requires 40-60 individual components that must arrive at assembly in perfect sequence.
What is the status on the red sneaker line? We are falling behind target.
Every detail matters. Logos, reinforcements, and finishing touches are applied before components are assembled. Each upper passes through 12 specialized stitching stations. Experienced operators handle 150 shoes per day with consistent quality.
Stitch count is good, logo alignment checks out, but this seam right here is off by 2 millimeters.
Modern sneakers blend traditional stitching with advanced bonding techniques, creating lightweight, durable construction.
The last is a foot-shaped mold that gives the shoe its final form and determines fit. Each size and model
Casting transforms flat material into the familiar shoe shape. This skilled process hasn't changed fundamentally in over 100 years.
Outsole design is engineering art, balancing traction, durability, flexibility, and weight.
Midsole technology defines performance. From basic EVA foam to advanced systems.
Proper adhesive application is crucial. These shoes must withstand years of use, extreme flexing, and various weather conditions.
This critical bonding step must be perfect. Our adhesives and process create bonds stronger than the materials themselves. Interior finishing affects comfort directly. Premium materials and cushioning systems make the difference between good and great shoes.
Every detail matters. From logo placement to protective packaging, we ensure shoes arrive in perfect condition.
Dimensional accuracy ensures consistent fit. A size 9 must fit like a size 9, whether it's the first or 10,000th pair. Human eyes remain the final arbiter of quality. Our inspectors are trained to spot defects most people would never notice. We've reduced packaging waste by 40% while maintaining product protection through innovative, sustainable design.
Premium packaging creates the unboxing experience customers expect while protecting shoes during global shipping.
Our global supply chain delivers shoes from factory to your feet in as little as 2 weeks. Coordinating
from materials to manufacturing to your feet, a global journey of craftsmanship, technology, and innovation.
We've walked through every step of sneaker manufacturing together, from cutting the first piece of material to boxing the finished product